UNISA Results 2026/2027. Everything you need to know about checking your results, pass marks, remarks, and what to do next. Introduction. Waiting for examination results is one of the most stressful moments in every student's academic journey. Whether you've just completed your semester examinations or you're about to graduate, the next question on your mind is always the same. When will my UNISA results be released? Every year, thousands of students at the University of South Africa, commonly known as UNISA, eagerly refresh their student portals, hoping to see their final marks. Some are excited, others are nervous, and many simply want to know what comes next. If you're one of those students, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to explain everything you need to know about the UNISA results for the 2026/2027 academic year. We'll cover when results are usually released, how to check them, what different result statuses mean, why your results may be delayed, how to apply for a remark, supplementary examinations, graduation, and what you should do if you don't pass a module. So, if you're a current UNISA student or planning to study at UNISA, stay with us until the end, because this guide will answer almost every question you may have about your examination results. Let's begin. Part 1. Understanding how UNISA releases results. One of the biggest misconceptions among students is that UNISA releases all examination results at the same time. This is not how the university works. Instead, UNISA releases examination results gradually. As lecturers complete marking, moderators verify the marks, and departments approve them, each module is uploaded individually to the university system. That means your friend may receive results today, while yours may only appear tomorrow, or even several days later. This is completely normal. It does not mean that you've failed. It simply means your module is still being processed. The university takes time to ensure every script is marked correctly before making the results available to students. This quality assurance process helps maintain fairness and accuracy across all programs. Part 2. When are UNISA results usually released? Although the university announces official dates every examination period, UNISA generally follows the same pattern every year. For students who write examinations in January or February, results are normally released during early March. Students who write the May or June examinations usually receive their results during July. Those who sit for the October or November examinations can generally expect their results in December. However, remember that these are only general timelines. Some modules may appear earlier than others, while certain departments may require additional moderation before releasing final marks. Because of this, students are encouraged to remain patient and regularly monitor their MyUNISA accounts. Part 3. How to check your UNISA results. Checking your results is simple. The easiest method is through the official MyUNISA student portal. Begin by visiting the MyUNISA website. Log in using your student number and password. After signing in, navigate to the section labeled Examination Results. If your results have been released, your modules and final marks will appear on the screen. Students may also use the official UNISA student mobile app, which allows them to access examination results directly from their smartphones. Always ensure you're using official UNISA platforms. Avoid unofficial websites or social media posts claiming to provide examination results. Part 4. Why your results may not be showing. One of the most common questions students ask is, my classmates have already received their marks. Why haven't mine appeared? There are several possible reasons. First, your module may still be undergoing moderation. Second, your lecturer may still be finalizing marks. Third, administrative processing may still be taking place. Another common reason is outstanding university fees. In some situations, UNISA may withhold examination results until outstanding financial obligations have been settled. Outstanding library books can also prevent the release of certain academic records. If your results are delayed, don't panic immediately. Give the university enough time to complete processing before contacting student support. Part 5. Understanding your examination results. Once your marks appear, you'll need to understand what they actually mean. If your result shows pass, congratulations, you have successfully completed that module. If you receive pass with distinction, you've performed exceptionally well and achieved one of the highest grading levels offered by the university. If your result indicates fail, It simply means you did not meet the minimum pass requirements for that module. Some students may notice that their result says Result Outstanding. This means the university has not yet completed processing your mark. It does not automatically mean you have failed. Some students may also see information regarding supplementary examinations. If you qualify, the university will provide the necessary information automatically. Part 6. What happens if you fail? Receiving a failed result can be disappointing. However, it is important to remember that many successful graduates have failed a module at some point during their academic journey. Failure does not define your future. Instead, it gives you an opportunity to identify areas that need improvement. Depending on your program and university regulations, you may qualify for a supplementary examination. If a supplementary examination is not available for your module, you'll normally need to register for the module again during the next available registration period. Take time to review your previous study methods. Ask yourself, did you begin studying early enough? Did you complete all assignments? Did you practice previous examination papers? Did you manage your time effectively? Answering these questions honestly can help you perform much better in your next attempt. Part 7. Supplementary Examinations. Many students believe they must apply for a supplementary examination. In most cases, this is not true. If you're eligible, UNISA usually awards the supplementary examination automatically according to the university's academic rules. Your examination result will clearly indicate whether you've qualified. The university will also publish the supplementary examination timetable before the examination period begins. Students should therefore monitor their MyUNISA portal and official university announcements regularly. Part 8. Can you apply for a remark? Sometimes students genuinely believe their examination scripts were not marked correctly. If this happens, UNISA allows eligible students to request a remark. However, students must submit the application within the specified deadline. A prescribed fee is usually required before the application can be processed. It is also important to remember that a remark does not guarantee higher marks. Sometimes the mark increases. Sometimes it decreases. Sometimes it remains exactly the same. Students waiting for remark results are generally advised to register for the module again before registration closes. If the remark later changes the outcome, the university will make the necessary adjustments. Part 9. What if your results are outstanding? Seeing the words Result Outstanding can make any student nervous. Fortunately, this status usually means that the university is still processing your examination. Possible reasons include: the examination script is still being marked. The department is completing moderation. Administrative verification is still underway. There may also be technical delays within the university's examination system. In most cases, students simply need to wait until processing has been completed. Avoid submitting multiple emails every few hours, as this can slow down support services. Instead, wait for the official update period announced by the university. Part 10. Tips for better results in future examinations. Whether you passed or failed, every examination provides valuable lessons. Here are several ways to improve your future performance. Begin studying several weeks before the examination. Never depend solely on last-minute revision. Complete every assignment on time. Assignments contribute toward your understanding of the course and often prepare you for examination questions. Practice with previous examination papers. This helps you become familiar with the structure of UNISA examinations. Create a realistic study timetable. Studying consistently for 1 or 2 hours every day is often more effective than trying to study for 10 hours the night before an examination. Join online study groups where possible. Learning with other students often improves understanding. Finally, maintain a positive mindset. Confidence, discipline, and consistency are powerful ingredients for academic success. Conclusion. The release of examination results is an important milestone for every UNISA student. Whether you're celebrating a pass, preparing for a supplementary examination, requesting a remark, or planning to repeat a module, remember that your academic journey doesn't end with a single result. Success at university is built through persistence, continuous learning, and determination. Always use official UNISA platforms to check your examination results, follow university announcements carefully, and never rely on rumors shared on social media. If your results haven't appeared yet, remain patient. UNISA releases results progressively, and delays do not automatically mean something is wrong. We hope this complete guide has helped you understand everything about the UNISA results for the 2026/2027 academic year. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more updates on UNISA admissions, examination results, NSFAS, scholarships, student opportunities, and higher education news across South Africa. Thank you for watching, and we wish you every success in your studies and your future career.